after we install libqt files several times, after we install so many different libqt libraries, now we encountered another problem called lib audio. This is very strange. I don't know why it uses audio dynamic linking library. However, if you go to Debian Packages website, you can see we can find this file directly in Bookworm distribution. The package name is called lib audio 2. Okay, so this time the solution is different. The solution is apt-get install lib audio 2. So we go back to the older solution, older method. Then we can type what? Okay. Now we don't have this problem, right? But we encountered a different problem. So this is new. I will tell you how to solve this later. But after this, you can see that after this we can see that all the files are installed. All the missing links are found, right? And I guess this is license problem. Okay. Anyway, now we encounter this problem, right? So let's see what happened. Okay, I just check my license setting. That was old license server. However, when I set this, no, actually I shouldn't set this 9. I erased because I already set this before. Then I set this, it will erase all the license setting. So I should not set again. Then I source new environment and use ICC shell. Then this time the software is able to open. Okay, this is ICC, and the next one is ICC2. ICC2, the command is basically the same, except this is ICC2 shell. So let's check if we run ICC2 shell. Okay, it will have this problem. Then let's go here and take a look. Let's find this. Let's find this package. Okay, it didn't exist in Bookworm, and it didn't exist in Buster, and even in Bullseye. So what should we do? I will explain this later. Okay, so everyone, please make sure that your ICC is able to run, and later we will try to solve this problem. Okay.